With Samsung's rack flexibility, there's a place for everything in your dishwasher. Foldable tines let you customize the racks for dirty pots, pans, dishes, and utensils. The adjustable upper rack makes it easy to wash tall items like baby bottles, water bottles, or wine glasses. I like being able to fit even my tallest pots and pans. The third rack included in certain models is perfect for holding utensils and silverware, which frees up space in the rest of the dishwasher. Samsung dishwashers with rack flexibility make it easy to get all your kitchenware clean.
What if your dishwasher dried your dishes like never before? At Bosch, we believe every dish should receive a powerful clean and emerge dry. Our patented technology, Crystal Dry, transforms moisture into heat, delivering 60% better drying results. Results so good, even plastics come out remarkably dry. Experience the ultimate clean and ultimate dry with Crystal Dry, available on select Bosch dishwashers.
Life can pile up pretty quickly, which is why a Bosch dishwasher is designed to make loading simple. Rackmatic lets you easily adjust the middle rack up or down. Folding tines make room for oversized items. And with a variety of third racks available, there's always a home for hard-to-place items like utensils, silverware, even bowls. Because when loading is easier, the kitchen stays cleaner. Bosch, invented for life. You shouldn't have to wash your dishes before washing your dishes. With Bosch Precision Wash, simply start your dishwasher and walk away. Intelligent sensors continually scan and check the progress of dishes throughout the cycle, and powerful precision spray arms go to work targeting every item of every load. So when your dishes are done, so are you. A leak is the last thing you want to have happen to your kitchen floors. With 24/7 AquaStop and 24/7 overflow leak protection systems, you get daily peace of mind. Each system will contain water inside the secure molded base in the event of a leak. A valve then automatically shuts off the water inlet and water is drained. So your floors stay beautifully dry, just like your dishes. Bosch, invented for life.